Good morning, students. Today we will take revision of your first chapter, India, our country. So, in this chapter, I will show or discuss about the physical division of India, its neighboring countries, states, and union territory of India. I will show you a clip. See. India, its physical feature and political division. In this module, you will discuss the physical feature and political division of India. See, India on the world map. India, which is located in the southern part of Asia, is the world's seventh largest country. Today, we are taking out viewers of beautiful country. See, India is a country of diverse landforms. There are mountains. You can see here there are mountains, plains, desert, plateau, coastlines, and islands. See, mountains, desert, plain, plateaus, coastline. The northern mountains are located in north part of India. See, it is located in the north part of India. The world famous snowy mountain Himalayas are located in the north and are also known as Northern Mountain of India. Northern Mountains of India. Right next, the northern mountains here, northern plains of India. Northern plains, these plains are very fertile and are irrigated by the Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. These rivers knock down from the Himalayas. In the west, you can see, in the west, here, this part. In the west line, the famous Great Desert, hot and dry region. It forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. See here. And now the Deccan Plateau. See, Deccan Plateau. See the Deccan Plateau, and it is located in the southern part of the country. Now coastal plains of India surrounded the Deccan Plateau on both eastern, western and south both sides. Coastal plains covered it both sides. So, three water bodies, that is the Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, also surround the Deccan Plateau, south, east and west respectively. Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands, group of islands in Arabian Sea. See, due to the vastness of India, it has divided into 29 states and 9 union territories. People belonging to different ethnic groups speaking different languages reside in different part of India. Now we will come on our chapter from the book. See, Our country, India, is a vast country located in the southern part of continent of Asia. I have already discussed through the clip. See, you can also see in the map. See, India is located here in Asia continent, southern part of the Asian continent. But India is located in the northern hemisphere. India stretches about 3,214 km from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Its breadth from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is 2,933 kilometers. The width of India decreases as we move towards the south. In terms of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. According to population, India is the second largest country and China ranks first in population. So students, in this paragraph, see the questions that India, where is India located? It is located in the southern part of continent of Asia. Next, the stretches of India from Jammu and Kashmir to north to Kanyakumari in the south, and the stretches for about 3,214 kilometers. And its breadth, what is the breadth of India from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, and the breadth is from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east is 2,933 kilometers, right? And in terms of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. So according to the area, or in terms of area, India is the seventh largest country in the world. And according to the population, India is the second largest country. Okay, so according to the population, India's rank come on the second in the world. And who is first rank in population? That is China. And do you know, students, only 6 countries in the world are larger in size than India, and in order to their areas, they are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. So here the question is, write down the name of the 6 countries which are larger than the India, and the answer will be Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. Now we will come on the neighboring country of India. The country which share their land borders with India are follows: Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. So here question is, the northwest neighbor country of India are Pakistan and Afghanistan. China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and the north neighboring country of India are China, Nepal and Bhutan. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. So eastern neighbor country of India are Bangladesh and Myanmar. India surrounds Bangladesh on 3 sides. India surrounds Bangladesh on 3 sides. See, our neighbors across the sea. See, neighbors across the sea: Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, these 3 water bodies, and here Indian Ocean. So students, these are the some basic information about India, our country. Rest of the part we will do in the next video. Now we will come on the fill-ups of this chapter. Fill-ups. First, you can see the option here. Second, Jammu and Kashmir. South, Peninsula. Seventh. So now first fill up is India is the dash largest country in the world. India is the seventh largest country in the world. I have already discussed. B. Dash is the northernmost union territory of India, and that is Jammu Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost union territory of India. Next, India is the dash most populated country in the world. So India is the second most populated country in the world. Here question, which is the most populated country in the world? That is China. And which is the second most populated country in the world? That is India. The width of India decreases as we move towards south. The southern part of India is a peninsula. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Peninsula means it is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal along the east coast, the Arabian Sea along the west coast, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Take the correct answer. India is located in the continent of Europe, Australia, Asia, and the right answer is Asia, which I have already discussed. The northern mountains lie to the east, west, north, and the answer is north. The smallest state in India is Sikkim, Goa, Kerala, and that is Goa. The largest state in India is Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and the answer is Rajasthan. The southern part of India is a desert, peninsula, plain, and the answer is peninsula. So students, this is your exercise. You will learn it with the correct spelling and do practice in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.